I tried Coin Super Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Coin Super Wallet app, I wasn't sure what to expect. The name sounded bold, Super Wallet, but after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that it actually lives up to that name. Coin isn't just a wallet, it's a complete crypto ecosystem. From the first login, I noticed how polished and modern the interface felt. Coin supports over 70 blockchains, yes, 70 including Ethereum, Solana, Bin, Chain and Avalanche. That means you can manage thousands of tokens all in one place without needing multiple wallets. During my test, I used Coin to swap tokens across chains, connect to DeFi platforms and even stake some assets for yield. The built-in DEX aggregator was impressive. It automatically found the best rates across different decentralized exchanges, saving me both time and gas fees. But here's what really surprised me. Coin doesn't just stop at crypto storage. It includes tools for NFTs, web apps, and even an integrated browser for DeFi protocols. I could access decentralized apps directly inside the wallet without ever switching tabs. Most people overlook one key thing. Coin also includes a FIA on-ramp, so you can buy crypto directly with your card or bank account. That made onboarding quick and beginner-friendly. Security-wise, it's non-custodial, meaning I kept full control over my private keys. I backed up my seed phrase easily, and the app never asked for personal data. After a full week, the shocking truth became clear. Coin isn't just a wallet, it's a DeFi command center. Whether you're swapping, staking or exploring Webby, everything is built right in. For anyone who wants one app to manage their entire crypto life, Coin really does deserve the title Super Wallet.